Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss, that is, having clause in the select statement. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the having clause, let's quickly recap the select statement. As you already know, it's used to retrieve data from a database. But what if we want to filter that data further based on some conditions? That's where the having clause comes in. Consider this sample database table containing orders of customer data. Let's say we want to find the total orders for each customer and only display the customer where the total order amount exceed a certain amount. This is where the having clause shines. In SQL, the having clause is used along with the group by clause to apply conditions to grouped data. It allows us to filter the results based on aggregate functions like sum, count, avg, and more. Let me show you an example. Here's the SQL query we'll be using. We start with the select statement, followed by the sum function to calculate the total order amount for each customer having multiple orders. Then, we use the group by clause to group the data by customer. Finally, we apply the having clause to filter the results based on the condition that the total order amount should be greater than a specific value. We now have a list of customers for multiple orders where the total order amount exceed the specified value. Isn't that amazing? The having clause empowers you to perform advanced data filtering in a single SQL query. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when using the having clause. First, remember that it can only be used with group by. Second, you can combine multiple conditions using logical operators like and or. And finally, be cautious when using aggregate functions in the having clause, as they can impact performance. The having clause is a powerful tool in SQL that allows you to filter grouped data based on specific conditions. It's perfect for tasks like finding top performers, analyzing trends, and more. So, next time you're working with aggregated data, remember to leverage the having clause to make your queries smarter and more efficient. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or want to see more SQL-related content, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting SQL tutorials.